Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to design a beautiful 4-page funeral program from start to finish using Canva. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a fully customized and print-ready funeral program that feels meaningful and memorable for your loved one. So if you've been feeling overwhelmed by the design process or unsure where to start, don't worry. I'll walk you through every step at a gentle pace and share tips along the way to make everything crystal clear. Let's start by heading over to Canva. You can use either the free or paid version for this project. Just open your browser and go to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, look for the purple Create a Design button in the top right corner. Give that a click. This is where you start any new project in Canva. Now in the search bar that pops up, type in funeral. Canva will show you a list of suggestions. Go ahead and click on Funeral Program. This tells Canva you want to work with layouts and designs that are especially suited for memorial events. If you don't see it right away, just type Funeral Program and you can select it from there. At this point, you'll be taken to a template selection screen. This is where the magic really starts. Canva offers a range of beautiful templates, some simple and classic, others more modern or floral. Take your time browsing and pick one that matches the tone and personality you want for the program. Don't worry if the images or colors aren't perfect at first, you'll be able to change those soon. Once you've found a template you like, there's a very important step here. We need to set it up for 4 pages. Type 4-page into the template search bar if you want designs already set up for 4 pages, or simply add additional pages manually by clicking the Add Page button at the bottom of the editor once you enter. Think of each page as its own little canvas: cover page, order of service, photos, and maybe a back page for acknowledgments or a favorite poem. Now dive in and edit the template to your preference. This is where you get to really personalize the funeral program. Click into any text box to change names, dates, or messages. You can swap out photos by clicking the image and choosing Replace, then upload your own pictures to make it truly meaningful. Change colors if you'd like, maybe to reflect a favorite color or seasonal theme. Don't rush this part, it's totally normal to spend some time adding those loving touches, and don't worry if you make a mistake. Canva's Undo button is always there as your safety net. Once you have every page looking the way you want it, text aligned, photos clear, details correct, it's time to get your file ready for printing. Hit the Share button up in the top right and from the drop-down choose Download. For a professional, ready-to-print result, set the file type to PDF print. This will ensure everything stays sharp and clear when you take it to a printer or print it at home. And just like that, you've designed a meaningful 4-page funeral program in Canva. Take a moment to appreciate your hard work. You've created something truly special that will help honor your loved one's memory. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need extra guidance. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.